Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of May 15th through the 21st. That's week 20 for 2023, and I am in my Aura Estelle B6 Daily Classic. I'm still really enjoying this planner for sure. This week, instead of using a traditional kit, I'm actually using the sticker book, which you can see already used parts of, but it's a Happy Planner sticker book. I've had it for a really long time. I think it's called like Goal Digger or something like that. I don't think this exact one is available anymore, but I'll link what is available down below. But it's kind of this like goals focused kind of thing. So that's my plan for this week. It's going to be a pretty busy work week. So I felt like this was a really good kit to use. The only thing I pulled out to help me is this Pilot pen. I don't know what it's called because it's all in Japanese, but it's like a very fine felt tip. I'm not even sure that you can see that, but it's a super fine point felt tip, and it's in this kind of green color, which I thought might go with this. So my plan is to go, is to use, I'm just gonna like set this loose page to the side. Some of these kind of pulled apart from the book. But I have these kind of dates here. So I'm just going to use these guys, and then I'm going to write in the dates with this. So that's my plan. I'm going to kind of do that, and then I will come back and we can do all the interesting bits. Okay, so here's where we're at so far. Pretty blank, but I think it's gonna turn out cute, so we're gonna just go with it. Things are slightly a mess, but it's gonna be fine. I ended up writing out the days in numbers form. We'll see how that goes. I don't know. Over here, I think my plan is to use this guy that says be a goal digger, kind of up here at the top, since that is kind of the vibes of the week, and why I'm using this sticker book, all of that good stuff. And then I'm going to put underneath it, let's see, that I've like lost everything. Okay, this will work. I'm gonna stick down this very important. This is gonna be things that I definitely need to remember to bring with me when I'm traveling. I think that's gonna be kind of the main key there. And then underneath that, I actually don't think I really need any like other content kinds of things. So here we go. I'm just gonna use this kind of like trust your gut sticker if I can manage to successfully pick it up. I did pull out some tweezers to kind of help here. Oh, this is like super wide. All right, I might save this guy. It's, I think, too wide for here. I think I'll use this one then here. The one that says, keep your head up high. I should have probably checked before I just started using things, but I think it's gonna be fine. This one will fit, I think. I'm just gonna start it over here. There we go. And then I still have a little bit of space left. So I think we'll just use this guy. There we go. All right. This is going to be just a to-do list, as usual. So if I pull out this part of the sticker book, I'm going to use this one that says important. There we go. I'm just going to stick that down right there. Perfect. All right, so now we're moving into these guys, the actual days of the week. I haven't been sticking anything under the 5 o'clock right now. We'll see if that ends up bothering me, but I think it's gonna be fine. I'm not too worried about it. For Monday, I think I'm gonna just use this round I am super busy. Stick that up here at the top. There we go. I think that's all I'm gonna put in on there. I think that's gonna be fine. Tuesday is the day that's a little weird. You can also see my pen like went crazy, so that wasn't super fun, but it's gonna be fine. I'm gonna start with this Trust Your Gut one. I'm gonna stick it down here at the bottom. There we go. All right, that looks pretty cute. It's gonna be kind of a crazy day. So that's where I'm gonna be filling things in. Let's see. So first off, I am going to put in, let's see. Maybe I will just use these guys. That seems good. All right, I'm gonna stick here up at the top. That's gonna be for my AM flight. And then I'm gonna put underneath it, I don't know why I picked this color. That's actually not a good color choice. I wanna mix up the colors a little more than that. How about this one? All right, so that's gonna be for my flights. That's gonna cover that there. And then one of these, do I wanna put in like appointment? I thought there was like a meeting guy. Let me see if I can find that. This one. I'm going to put this in right here. There we go. That's gonna cover, I'm presenting at a conference, so wanted to mark that in. Everything else I'm just gonna leave blank for that day. I'm not sure what's happening. Might go out to dinner with some people. We'll see. We'll figure it out. Over here, I am going to use this one that says time to get to work. And stick that kind of vertically over here. There we go. And that's all I'm gonna put in for Wednesday. I do have, there's a grant deadline, so maybe that's worth marking. I don't know. I'm gonna just not worry about it, and I'm just gonna keep going. Thursday and Friday, I don't really have anything super planned out right now either. So I think I'm gonna put in this one. And this day, there we go. And then I think I'm gonna use this Plan Your Dreams over here. A day to kind of, you know, reflect a little bit. I think that'll probably be good. I don't think I'm gonna fill in anything else right now because I don't know what's gonna be happening those days. So I think that's best there. And then for the weekend, I'm going to first put in this Love the Weekend one because that feels appropriate. Stick that in here right at the top. I think that one is pretty good there. And then I think I'm gonna leave the weekend pretty empty because I don't know what the day is going to look like really. But I am gonna stick like a little stay positive. I'll stick that over here. I think that one is pretty cute. And then maybe I'll use this Hustle and Heart one. Not sure. I think I'm gonna just leave that one. So for Sunday, I think I might just pull out this guy that says right now, and I'm just gonna put that kind of like right here. There we go. All right, that looks really cute. So this is kind of how the week is going. I will move everything else out of the way. Pretty blank, as you might expect, but I think it's looking pretty cute. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spreads. All right, here is how the week turned out, at least the parts I can show. I think it turned out super cute, definitely very kind of boss bitch-esque, pushing through the week. I think the kind of theme for these stickers worked out really well for me. The weather was really good, more or less, except for the time when the golfers were here. They really struggled, but it turned out totally fine. And then when we move into the weekend, I think it turned out really cute. I used a couple of these little diagonal stickers that I feel like have been really hard to use in like a traditional standard vertical setup, but they actually look really cute here, I think, and they turned out really good. And I liked having the bits of like black mixed in with the colors, so I think that was really fun, and I really just used things from the sticker book, except for my pen, which I think is a Pilot pen of some sort. I'm not going to go through the sticker book. Obviously, there's a bunch of things left in it, but I think it turned out really cute. That's all I really have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how your week went down below as well. I would love to hear about that. If you don't have anything to say and you just want to say hi, maybe drop a golf related emoji, since the PGA Championship was here in Rochester this past weekend. And yeah, also check out my Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. I show these in progress and finished spreads as much as I possibly can, as well as bits and pieces of my other planners, my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.